Sir Janus. It is our pleasure to present to you our group project entitled Pizza Ordering System. My name is Liezel P. Larracas, and my student number is 1902731. The members consist of 10 members in total, and I am the leader of the group.
Good day, Sir Janus. My name is Louis Amular, and my student number is 1902461.
My name is Paulo Banaag, and my student number is 1902634.
Hi, my name is Kerwin Caballes. My student number is 2101068.
Hello, Sir Janus. My name is Johrenc B, and my student number is 2102233.
Hello, my name is Jose Fontanilla, and my student number is 2101051.
My name is Raymond P. Lagmay, and my student number is 1902373.
Good day, my name is Patricia Lindo. My student number is 2101946.
My name is Mamplata, and my student number is 1902409.
My name is Tristan Ramos, and my student ID is 1903001. Without further ado, let's proceed to the discussion of our group project.
Hello, good day, Sir Janus. My name is Johrenc B. I'm here to explain how the prices changes whenever the user clicks a radio button in the select flavor. So it is set to Hawaiian 90, 110, 130. This is the code for it. Label small price set text 90, medium price to 110, and large price to 130. And when we click the ham and cheese, it also changes. Here it is. Radio button ham and cheese add action listener means when the user clicked it, something happens. If radio button ham and cheese is selected, the label small price is set to 110, 130, and 150. This is it. And the third one is the pepperoni radio button. It also changes, like how I explained in the ham and cheese radio button. The second that I should explain is about the cell number validation. When a user clicks a character, this is what happens. Here is the code for it. Here. Add key listener means when a user clicks a key in our keyboard. Try double parse dot double txt phone the text field phone dot get text plus input. So try, a number is allowed, but when a user clicks a string or a character, it is not allowed because of this code. Try, catch, number format exception, J option pane that show message dialog null, please enter a valid number, and the code consumes an improper format when a user clicks a string that is not allowed to the code. That's it, Sir Janus. Thank you for listening.
Good day, Sir Janus. The variable name of this J button is button to order. Every time the user will click this button, it will clear all the display data of the text area, like this. As you can see here, it clears all the data inputted in the text area, which is this: check pepper, onions, black olives, green peppers, extra cheese, and the radio button Hawaiian small and radio button for delivery is all set back to default, while the text name, text address, and text phone were all cleared. On the other hand, this J button exit from the vertex of exit will terminate the program once the user clicks the exit button, and also it will show a J option pane show control dialog. Are you sure you want to exit, with the option yes or no. As you can see, when I click the exit button, it will show a pop-up button which says are you sure you want to exit, with a yes button. When you click it, it will terminate the program, and when you click no, it will do nothing. That's all.
Good day. The line of code that assigned to me is the code that will store the name and the address. The purpose of this private string name is to make the variable name can be called on any line of the code in the program. This getText function is to get the text on this variable, and whatever on that variable, it will return to the private string name. This code is simplified, so every time the user type on this field, it will automatically stored on the variable name, same as the private string address. This code is connected to other code, that's why it can be displayed on the text area. Some of my group mates will explain how it will display on the text area later on.
These three methods from line 450 to 476 return a string data type. When a user enter a number, it will store on phone as string, and it will return when this is called, same as flavor of pizza. Flavor of pizza has a flavor variable that has empty string. When a user selected Hawaiian, it will store on flavor variable, same as radio ham and cheese store on flavor variable, or else pepperoni, and it will return this method when this is called, same as size of pizza. Now I'm gonna show you this code. So here, when a user selected ham and cheese, medium, enter number, a name, and address, and here, even if you type number, it will store as string, and here is the name, address, and phone, the selected radio button, pizza flavor, and size. That's all.
Hi, I'm Johrenc B. Mamplata. I'm going to explain the service method and add-on price. Private string method will take the type of service that user choose and its service fee once the user call it in name. The condition is using 8 else and only one service can be selected. Private string add-on price will print the selected add-ons and its equivalent price. The condition is if method and inside of it is an add-on price plus equal the price add-ons equal add-ons plus event text. Through a brief explanation, the add-on price at default is 0, and once selected, it will replace by the value selected. And once the user click another, the previous value will be added. Likelihood in add-ons, it will be able to save the previous selections and the new selections, while the new name code will print the code in a new line text.
Greetings, Sir Janus. My topic is about the price of the pizza and the price of the service fee. So, private double price of pizza, the current value of our pizza price is equals to 0. If the user choose to select the small size, then the pizza price, double price double, should get what the price indicates. Then, else if the user choose the medium size, then must get the price of the medium, and else if the user choose the large price, then it must return the value of any of the three you choose, what the user choose to get. Then let's proceed to the service fee. Private double service fee, double service fee. If the user choose to dine in, then it must have the service fee of 0. If the user choose to take out, then it is the same in dine in, that it has a value of 0. And else if the service fee is 50, which is the delivery, then it must return the service fee of any of the three who choose the user. So let's run the code. Small size. Let's add add-ons here. For dine in. So as you can see, the small size is 90 pesos. Then it has a service fee of 0 because at indicate in the code, it has no service fee. So let's try in medium size. Let's create order. And medium size 130, then the dine-in is 0. For takeout 0. Then for large size and for delivery. So it has a service fee of 50 pesos and the large size is 170. So that's it. Thank you.
My name is Cristhian Banaag, and I will discuss to you what is a subtotal and how did we manage to create one. First, what is a subtotal? Subtotal is the total sum of set of larger group of numbers that have been added. For an example, a Hawaiian small size pizza costs 90 pesos, add-on costs 35 pesos, and service method costs 50 pesos. the total sum is 175 pesos. So therefore, the subtotal is 175 pesos. Now let's move on to the code. We use double and call the variable subtotal, and for the process, subtotal equals add-ons plus price of pizza plus service method. Lastly, return subtotal. It will return to the caller after the process or the execution is complete.
Good day, sir. This line of code is for the J button create order. What does the create order button do? The create order button do is take all the user's order summary. Let's try. Let's and show it here. This is the order summary. When the user click the create order button, it will show here. The action listener for that is here. If the user selected the radio button for delivery, the user need to input the input name, address, and phone. If the user did not put these three, a J option pane will pop up. And here is for the radio button, dine in and take out is selected. If the user did not put the A name, a J option pane will pop up saying please input name. Let's try it. I'll dine in here before take. And if the user successfully input his or her name, will continue to show the order summary. That's all for this code. Thank you.
So, if the user selected the for delivery method, it will first check if the full name, the address, and the cell phone number text boxes are blank. Then it will show a message dialog that will say, please input name, address, and phone. And if there is for example, an address that is input or a cell phone number that is input, it will be false. So it will go to the next line and will check if the name and the address is blank, but the cell phone number have a cell phone number. Then it will say, please input a name and address. And if you input a name but there's no address and cell phone number, it will say please input address and phone. And for the next line of code, which is it will check if the phone number and name text box is blank and only the address has a value, then it will say please input name and phone. And if you enter an address and a cell phone number on this line of code, it will check if the name text box is blank, then it will show please input a name. And so on the address, if you enter a name and a cell phone number, it will show please input an address. And for the phone, if you enter a name and an address and left out the phone, it will check if the phone text field is blank and will say please input a phone. But if you enter something on all of the text box or the text field, then all of this code will be false. All of this code will be false and will go to this code, which will print the receipt.
So, next for line 436, we declare a J-label. As you can see, J-label where we place the icon. And for the line 437, make the J-label an icon and set the pathway where the image is located. For the line 438, as you can see, where the icon is located. And the last, on the line 439, here we disable the J-label, and here are the final output of the design.